Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this is me doing my friend's makeup. So before I moisturize, I always clean the skin. So I did clean her skin with makeup wipe, and then I went and moisturized with Embryolisse moisturizer. I probably pronounced that wrong, but you know. Now I'm just spooling through her brows. I applied the skin prep to her skin before I do her brows, just to close her pores and also create a nice canvas so that her face doesn't get oily throughout the day of her wearing the makeup. I'm filling in her brows with the MAC paint pot. No, MAC fluid line, my bad. Yeah, I'm filling in her brows with that. Now I'm cleaning up her brows with I believe this is RCMA concealer. I'm not too sure. But I'm cleaning up her brows with that and just giving it a nice little arch right there, making sure the tail is even and you know it's cute. So I went ahead and applied a lighter color concealer onto her eyelids, prepping it for the eyeshadow application. And once I do that, I'm gonna blend that out, and I'm also gonna set it with some translucent powder like I'm doing now. I set the concealer underneath her brows, and I also set the concealer that I put on her eyelids. I'm going in with a neutral kind of transition color. Then I'm gonna go in with reddish kind of orange brown. It's coming off real orange on camera, but it's not that orange. I don't know why it's doing that, but it's like a red, like a brick kind of color. But I'm going in with that color, and I'm building up with a dark brown color, just to give the crease some definition and some depth. I really didn't, well, I kind of had a general idea of what color I was doing for her eyes, but I didn't plan like what palettes I was using and stuff like that. But it all worked out at the end. Everything came together. It was cute. So, you know, now I'm just taking the brush that I used to apply the translucent powder and just blending these colors together. So I went in with some blue from the Juvia's Place. I believe that's the Saharan. No, not I believe it's the Saharan. I'm not sure, but one of them palettes from Juvia's Place. And I'm applying that blue from the Carity Matte palette, and I'm just building it up to the intensity that I want. I'm also applying it like a metallic kind of like a sky blue on the inner corner. I'm really creating like a gradient effect because this is gonna be my base for the other pigments that I'm gonna apply to her eyelids, which you'll see later on in the video. Here I'm going in with the pigments. I'm applying a glitter that this is one of those fine glitters I'm applying as a base glitter because I'm gonna go over top with another glitter. I'm also applying like a silver kind of loose pigment on the inner part of the eye because like I said, I wanted to do like a gradient kind of ombre look. Now I'm going in with the chunkier glitter that I mixed, and I'm just applying that right on top of pretty much everything because I did put a little bit on top of that silver kind of metallic color in the corner. I did put a little bit on the ear, and I'm doing the same thing on the other eye. See, glitter is all fun and, cute looking, but that shit get everywhere. Like, literally everywhere. I love glitter, but then it's a love-hate relationship. Anyway, moving on, I applied her foundation, and now I'm going in with her highlight. This is actually not a concealer. I'm using a foundation to highlight her face. I find that foundations blend even better than concealers. I don't know, that's just in my opinion. But I find that foundation blends better than concealers. I mean, you can still use concealers because I still do, but sometimes it's just easier for me to use foundation. But I'm blending that out and just getting rid of those lines of demarcation because we don't want that. I went ahead and start setting her face with the RCMA no color powder. And I like to use this to set the whole face actually because this powder is so great. It doesn't leave any flashback. It it keeps your face matte for like however long you need it to be matte. Your face is matte. Dead ass. Like this is one of the best setting powders out there. Anyway, I'm going in with I believe this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit that I'm using, but I'm using that kit in medium deep or dark deep. Anyway, I'm contouring her face with that. And I'm using that same contour kit to contour her nose and just carve out that sleek line. I'm applying some blush here. I believe this is a NYX blush in cinnamon. It's like an orangey color. It looks really great on women of color, so I decided to use that blush. Yeah, she was feeling herself. Yeah, she was feeling herself. Alright, now we're going into the under eye, and I'm using the same colors I use on the top for the transition. I'm using that underneath. I'm also going in with that same blue that I use on the top as well. Well, one of the blues that I use on the top, not all of them, because I did use like 3 different kind of blues on there. I went ahead and lined her waterline with a white pencil, and I applied some blue pigment on there. Now I'm just applying some mascara to her eyelashes. I'm applying mascara to her eyelids. What? And I used some AliExpress lashes. I believe I double stacked them because I was going to use one of them, but then I liked the shape of the other, so I just double stacked them. And we're using those lashes. Those were really cute. They really made this look pop like boop. Yeah. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to lips. I lightly outlined her lips with a brown lip liner, eye pencil, whatever that was. And I'm also gonna use a brown, I forgot whose lipstick this is, but it's a brown liquid lipstick. I'm just gonna go over that outline and also like create like an ombre effect. Then I'm going in with a nude, yeah, a nude kind of color just in the center, and I'm gonna have her like smack her lips together to create that ombre effect that I want. I'm just cleaning up the edges and any imperfections that might be there. And right here, I just told her to smack her lips together and mix those colors, blend it well. And boom, I'm applying some gloss on top. And you know what's funny about this look? I actually forgot to apply a highlighter. And it did not turn out bad. Like I really forgot to do highlighter. And I also have a love-hate relationship with highlighter, but we're not going to talk about that right now. But this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys like it, and let me know if you want to see more videos with other faces, with me doing other people's faces. I will definitely do that. So stay tuned for my next video. Like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe.